Eye-catching, bold, and unique visual effects are always going to be valuable tools for video editors and marketing professionals, as well as for individuals who enjoy creating fun video productions in their spare time. This Envato Elements Top 10 Best Neon Video Templates list has a range of bright, bold effects for editors to add to their toolkits. All items featured are available on Envato Elements, a subscription-based service that will give you access to more than 1 million creative assets that will make you save time, money, and general resources. From video stock, fonts, PowerPoint templates, and everything in between to enhance your projects. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Neon by Marco Belli. The first addition to our top 10 countdown today is the perfect resource for lovers of classic neon signage with a modern twist. Choose from 3 backgrounds or use your own and create a sign of your own design, lit up with the help of up to 10 connecting cables for an authentic look. Number 9. Posters Neon by Premium Milk. Step inside a world of stunning, colorful video editing assets when you download this amazing neon video template pack. The dynamic designs are well suited to advertising campaign material for startup tech companies and will boost the immersive experience when utilized in virtual reality programs. Number 8. The Neon Sign by Snowcake. Now, this pack full of templates is sure to create the neon effect of your dreams. It takes all the best parts of old school neon signage, including flickering effects, and transforms them into easy to use editable assets. Number 7. Neon Elements by MixedMedia87. The number 7 addition to our list of Envato Elements Top 10 Best Neon Video Templates is jam-packed full of fun. With over 100 different neon elements, including road signs, speech bubbles, and other sticker-style graphics, this pack has a neon element for every need. Number 6. Neon Quotes by MoMotion. This neon effect pack is a creative way for businesses of all sizes, from a range of industries, to enter the spotlight on social media, their own website, and other video-based platforms. Quotes, testimonials, and other written content will shine when paired with these statement elements. If you've enjoyed this video so far, please like and share with anyone else who could use some neon effects in their life. Be sure to ring that bell and subscribe to support us in making more content for creatives just like you. Now, let's shine a light on the top 5 items in our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Neon Video Templates Countdown. Number 5. Neon by Elmake. This dynamic video template runs for just 12 seconds, but in that time, it takes viewers on an electrifying journey that leads directly to your chosen logo or text, lit up in an alley with seriously grungy vibes. Streetwear fashion labels, this is the template for you. Number 4. Neon Toolkit by Igor Fernandez. The flickering glow of neon lights evokes a feeling of adventure and excitement. Entice your target audience to visit your store by creating intriguing video ads with the neon assets in this pack. Number 3. Neon Arrow Pack by Hagungor. Utilize the many neon arrows in this pack to draw your audience's eye to the focal point of your ad, informational video, business presentation, or personal video project. With a range of different arrows to choose from, your content will easily control the room. Number 2. Neon Slideshow by Myth. This is the perfect slideshow template for fashion labels, musicians, e-commerce stores, and other small businesses and creatives to showcase their products, their services, and their people in a bright setting. Number 1. Neon Plants by Studio Dav. This pack of leafy green templates is perfect for setting the mood when it comes to marketing and social media content for bars, clubs, and swanky restaurants. You can control a range of aspects in each dynamic element, including glow, color, and animation settings. Let us know in the comments if we chose the best neon effect as the number 1 addition to this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Neon Video Templates list. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one. make sure you check out the next video in the queue as well. It's been chosen just for you. You can find all the best Neon video templates in this countdown by subscribing to Envato Elements. Let your creative light shine with the help of Envato.